Hi guys, welcome back. If it is your first time here, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way that I use to package rings without using a ring box. So I take a piece of cord and I place the ends together. Then I thread it through the ring. And once I've done that, I open the bottom like this, and then you just want to go ahead and you place your cord on it. I also use this cord for necklaces and earrings as well. Then I place it in the center, and it does not have to be exact. Then once I've done that, I separate the cords like this and I pull as tight as I can. Then I flip it over, and once you've done that, you just want to go ahead and make a knot. Then I turn it sideways and I make another knot. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a bow. Then I flip it back around and I fix it until it is to my liking. And you can push it up at the top, or you can leave it in the middle if you would like to. I do hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for supporting, and I'll see you in the next one.